You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.